Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we have a game-changing topic that could give you a competitive edge in the rapidly evolving world of trading. We'll explore how ChatGPT, the advanced language model developed by OpenAI, can transform your trading endeavors. Stick around because we've got expert insights and practical tips coming your way. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this one. ChatGPT, which stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a powerful AI language model. It's not a simple chatbot. It can handle a wide range of language-related tasks, from generating text to translating languages, and even sentiment analysis. So, why should traders be excited about ChatGPT? Well, it can provide you with a plethora of benefits. Market analysis. ChatGPT can analyze market data, identify patterns, and generate insights, helping you make informed trading decisions. Trading algorithms. It can create trading algorithms and generate code snippets tailored to your trading bot requirements, streamlining your trading strategies. Portfolio management. Use ChatGPT for efficient communication within trading teams and with clients, enhancing portfolio management. Now, let's get practical. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a trading strategy using ChatGPT. Log in. Start by logging into your OpenAI account to access ChatGPT. Engage with ChatGPT. Engage with ChatGPT by providing prompts related to trading. For instance, you can ask it to explain options trading strategies. Request code for your bot. Prompt ChatGPT to generate specific code for your trading bot requirements. For example, request Pine script code for a mean reversion strategy based on Bollinger Bands. Customize the code. Personalize the generated code to align with your trading approach. Add indicators, risk management techniques, or other modifications to suit your style. Integrate with a platform. Integrate the code with your preferred trading platform or API for seamless execution of trades. Test thoroughly. Before going live, rigorously test your trading bot using historical data or a simulated environment to ensure reliable performance. Monitor and refine. Once live, continuously monitor and refine your bot's performance based on market conditions and insights. You might be wondering, how does ChatGPT work? Well, it's all about pre-training and language understanding. ChatGPT is pre-trained on vast amounts of text data from sources like books, websites, and social media. It learns language patterns and connections between words and phrases. When you give it a prompt, ChatGPT generates responses by selecting the most likely words based on learned patterns. This iterative process refines the response until it meets specific criteria. But wait, there are important factors to consider when using ChatGPT for trading. You need a strong understanding of trading strategies because ChatGPT provides initial outputs that require fine-tuning. ChatGPT doesn't inherently understand market dynamics. You must combine its insights with your market knowledge. Markets change, so regularly monitor and update ChatGPT to ensure accuracy. The wording of your requests matters. Be clear and specific to get accurate responses and avoid discrepancies when implementing code. Always review and modify AI-generated code to align with your trading platform's requirements. So, how can ChatGPT boost your trading performance? ChatGPT can extract insights from unstructured data like news articles and social media, helping with sentiment analysis. It simplifies technical analysis by generating code for indicators and strategies. With historical data and news, ChatGPT can provide predictions and forecasts, aiding in identifying market opportunities. Its language generation capabilities allow you to automate trading strategies for efficiency. Overall, ChatGPT enhances decision-making with a broader range of insights and predictions. As with any tool, there are pros and cons. Pros. 1. Market insights and analysis. 2. Education and understanding. 3. Trading script generation. 4. Trading signal generation. 5. Automation potential. Now let's look at the cons. 1. Potential code issues. 2. Limited access for free users. Ready to explore some trading strategies you can try with ChatGPT? 1. Trend following strategy. Identify and capitalize on trends with ChatGPT's help. 2. Mean reversion strategy. Utilize ChatGPT to identify overbought or oversold conditions for mean reversion strategies. 3. Breakout strategy. Learn to spot potential breakouts with insights from ChatGPT. And the big question: can you trade with ChatGPT regularly? Yes, it is possible. Use ChatGPT for insights from financial news and unstructured data. Gauge market sentiment with ChatGPT's sentiment analysis. Generate code for technical indicators and strategies, but validate it. There you have it, traders. ChatGPT is a game changer in the trading world, but remember to use it wisely. It's a tool to enhance your trading, not a crystal ball. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Happy trading, and we'll see you next time.